So when you make your second and third passes, you want to slowly creep up on it. The third pass will be your smallest pass of the three. The first two remove the bulk of the material. The third one just really shaves off any imperfections. When you start, you want to start away from the end grain. You want to start somewhere where you have good control over the curve or something like this. If you start here at the end grain and you try to feed it in, the router bit will catch the end grain and give you a big tear out. So that's what we're trying to avoid by starting inside of the arch. And then after you cut it, what you'll do is you'll just nibble away at it. And when you get close to the end, you will actually, with the controlled hand, do a climb cut and let it slowly pull off the bit, pull it straight off the bit. Make sure you don't pull it off the bit and round it over the bearing. And if you do it the way that I kind of told you, you'll get a pretty flawless cut and be able to sand in the mill marks, and it'll give you a nice round bead or whatever the shape it is you're cutting without any tear out.